Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Ray Food channel. I hope everyone is doing well today. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious Ghana tilapia soup. So if you are interested, let's get started. So first of all, I am going to clean the tilapia with some fresh lemon. And I am also running cold tap water. Next, I'm going to make sure that the tilapia is well washed, and then I'm going to discard the water. To steam my fish, I've got some aniseed, rosemary, onions, spring onions, fresh garlic, and a big chunk of ginger. And I'm going to blend it with some water and then pour it on the fish. For the seasoning, I'll be adding some smoked crayfish stock powder. I am also going to add some seasoning, and last but not least, I am going to add some salt to taste. So a very simple seasoning. Then I am going to cover it and let it steam for about 4 to 5 minutes, not for long. But in between, I am going to stir it and turn the fish over. So this is after 2-3 minutes. And I'm cooking it on high heat. I'm going to put the lid back on and wait for 2-3 more minutes. And this is it. My fish is ready. So the next step is very simple. I'm just going to take it out of my pot, and I'll be adding it back later on in my recipe. This will prevent it from damaging the fish. And this is it. So right now I'm just going to keep it aside. Now I am going to add a tablespoonful of tomato puree or tomato paste and stir it. Then I'm going to add about 1 glass of water, and I'm going to add in some onions, scotch bonnet, and garden eggs. I am now adding it. Next, I am going to cover it and leave it to cook until it becomes soft. This is it, guys. My veggies are cooked and I am going to take them out of the pot. Next, I am going to blend it together with some chopped tomatoes, but if you want to use the fresh one, please use about 3 to 4 tomatoes and cook it together with the veggies. And now I am going to pour it into my pot, and I'm going to add some water in the same blender. Okay, we don't want to waste anything. So this is about 2 liters 200 of water. Then I'm going to cover it and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes on a medium heat. I'll be also adding some chestnut mushroom. I think it goes very well with tilapia soup or any fish soup. Alright, so this is the perfect time to add in the mushroom. Then I am going to add my seasoning. So I have some sankofa soup seasoning. If you haven't tried it before, please go ahead because the spices are amazing. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of food seasoning, then a bit more of the smoked crayfish powder, and some salt to taste. Again, very simple seasoning for my soup. Then I'm going to stir it and cover it again and let it simmer for a further 10 minutes. And this is it. It is now the best time to add back my tilapia. So basically our soup is almost ready. These are the last bits. And also very important, the fish broth, because it makes a very big difference in the taste. Trust me on that. Now stir it gently, cover and let it simmer for a further 10 minutes. Hey friends, this time I have decided to cook my okra directly in the soup. But of course, you can always decide to cook it separately. Then I am also going to cover it again, but never entirely, and let it simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes, and that's it. My tilapia soup is ready and it smells amazing. And of course, my plantain fufu is ready, and it is time to serve. Look at this amazing tilapia soup. I really hope you are going to try this recipe because it really is very tasty and so flavorful. Alright, this is the end of my recipe. I really do hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave me a message, to share my videos as usual, and of course to try it. And if you try it, send me a message, send me pictures, and then I'll post it on my Instagram page. I'll see you next time for another Mrs. Drury recipe, and until then, take care of yourself and enjoy life because tomorrow is never promised. I love you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.